Well, it's about that time of year again, which is the end of the year, 2018, and as usual, we're going to kind of give a quick reflection over the past year and what was some of the best videos that I made, or at least I think so. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this compilation, and without further ado, here we go. So those were what I think are the best videos I made in 2018, and of course I would be very interested to know what you guys' favorites were so I can in the future make more videos of that type. I know a lot of people like the Android apps and the secret hidden features and all that sort of stuff, so I'll try to make more of those. But if you have any other suggestions, definitely let us know down in the comments. And also, of course, if you guys want, be sure to follow me on other social media. I have Instagram, Twitter. Instagram is kind of like my current favorite right now, so I'd highly recommend that. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great 2019. We'll see you at the other side of it.